Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Shopkin Lovers 2. And today, Brianna is going to open the present that I gave her. So open right now.
Oh.
No, buddy.
Okay. Wait, what? Hey, I
Hope.
You like
I hope.
you like your things that they are not Shopkins. Love, Juliana. Okay. Figured they weren't Shopkins. What was
I
that?
didn't
Isn't he cute? Look at the little worm coming out of him.
He's so cute. He's so cute. Thank you.
Now, where's the one you got, Jules?
He's
She
so
picked it up.
At Toys R Us, right?
Okay,
Then we
show them
got
your presents.
We got. Whoa.
No. Apple
We got
Blossom.
Apple Blossom. Oh, she's so squishy and soft.
And what else?
We got Hillary Harp. You got a duplicate of this one, right? That's why you gave it to me.
Yeah. So I hope. Wait, hold on.
Huh?
And this is what I got.
You're so lucky.
I'm sorry, I would have got you one, but I needed that.
That's not fair.
I got you that. You're lucky.
I know. But still.
So I hope you liked this video. Make sure to give it a like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
We haven't sent his office any other documentation.